To another episode of Disappointing Science Experiments. Today we're going to see who can pour their water out of their bottle the fastest. First up we have Chris Derrick. Okay Chris, in your own time. I will time you. Take the top off and go for it. Nine seconds. Okay,
impressive.
I think I can beat that because the trick is you have to spin the water very sharply, and then you create a vortex. It's not going to be that damaging for. You create a vortex inside the bottle.
Hang on, who's going to time you? Wait a minute.
Yeah.
When do we start time? Do we time you from now?
No, whenever we move my hand.
Well, you say.
Should have timed it before you took the lid off.
Whenever you are.
I'm going to create a vortex inside the bottle.
That's what I was trying to do.
You see a vortex is appearing.
Deeply unimpressive.
7.9 seconds.
Thank you. Thank you.